Today I'm going to show you a couple of tips and tricks on replacing the forward bonnet cable. And it's very common that these forward bonnet cables break and snap. There's a couple of things you'll have to remove to access the bonnet cable. You'll need to remove the fuse panel, the side, kick panel, and also the lower panel. You'll also need to move the inside guard of the right hand wheel. A little trick that I found that helps, if you remove the old cable's release bracket, attach a new cable with some electrical tape to help you feed it through. You may need two people to do this. To access the front, you just need to remove the two 10mm screws on the front. This will let you access the back of the cable to remove it, and you can replace it from there. So this is just a couple of tips and tricks to help you replace your forward bonnet cable. Bonnet cable is available at onlineautoparts.com.au.